Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to download Minion Rush on your Android device. To download Minion Rush application on your Android device, first of all make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then open the Google Play Store on your Android. Once the Google Play Store opens up, bring up the search box and type in Minion Rush in it. Make a search for the app and you will be able to see the Minion Rush game displayed in the search result. Once you get to this app display screen, click on the install button and this will start downloading Minion Rush on your Android. You will need to wait for a couple of minutes until the game is downloaded and installed, and once it is completed, click on the play button to open the Minion Rush application on your Android phone. So that is how you download Minion Rush for free for your Android. In this video, we will be learning how you can log into your Minion Rush account with Apple ID. To log into Minion Rush using your Apple ID, follow the steps till the end of the video. First of all, open up the Minion Rush application on your mobile device. From the main home page, click on the gear button at the top right hand corner. This will open up the settings menu. From the top of the screen, select Connectivity. Go ahead and find the login option right next to the Apple logo under Networks and tap on it. Click on the Continue button and scan your Face ID or simply enter your Apple ID credentials. And make sure you type in the correct information while typing in your credentials. Wait for a few minutes and you will then be logged into your Minion Rush account with Apple ID. You will now be redirected back to Minion Rush and your account should now be linked to your Apple ID just like that. In this tutorial video, we are going to be learning how to log into Minion Rush with your Facebook account. Logging into Minion Rush with Facebook is super easy. First of all, go ahead and open your Minion Rush application on your mobile device. Once you're inside the main home page, go to the settings icon or the gear button at the top right corner. Now, tap on Connectivity at the top of the screen and select the login button right next to the Facebook logo under Networks. Click on the Continue button to go to facebook.com and sign into your Facebook account. You can open up the Facebook app if prompted by tapping on Open and then log into your account by entering your Facebook account's credentials. After choosing your Facebook profile or typing in your Facebook account's email and password, click on Continue button. After you do that, you will then be able to log into your Minion Rush account with Facebook. Remember that you must have your Facebook account in order to log in with Facebook. If you don't have one, create a Facebook account and use your email and password to get connected with your Minion Rush account. You will now be redirected back to Minion Rush and your account should now be linked to your Facebook account. By linking your game to Facebook, you can save your progress, play across multiple devices, and connect with friends who also play Minion Rush. So that's how you easily connect Minion Rush with Facebook. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off Minion Rush notifications. To turn off notifications for Minion Rush, you can follow these steps. First of all, open up the Minion Rush application on your device. Once you do this, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. From the gear menu, select Connectivity at the top. At the bottom of the screen, you should be able to see the notifications toggle. Tap on the toggle button to turn the notification off. After you do that, you should be able to successfully disable notifications from Minion Rush. In this video, we will be learning how to change language on your Minion Rush application using your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Once you start Minion Rush application and you are inside the game, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. From the settings menu, go ahead and get to this language option from where you can select the language of your choice and you will be able to see that you have successfully changed your language on your Minion Rush application. You can always get to this settings interface and choose the language of your preference by simply tapping on one of the language selection. And that is how super easy it is to change the language on your Minion Rush application using your mobile device. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off sound from your Minion Rush application. To turn off the sound in Minion Rush, first of all, launch the Minion Rush game on your mobile device. Open. From the main home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Look for the sound settings under volume, where you can see the music and sound effects option. If you've enabled music and sound effects on your game, you will be able to see the music and sound effects options filled with green colors. In order to turn off or lower the volume of the music and sound effects, simply click on the minus icon on either side of the options. Just make sure that the music and sound effects volume is turned off, and once you do that, you will be able to turn off sound effect from your Minion Rush game. After you are done, you can exit the settings menu and continue with your game. Your game should now be muted with both the sound effects and background music turned off. In this video, we will be learning how to remove ads on Minion Rush. Removing an ad from the game Minion Rush involves making an in-app purchase. So here is how you can do it. Open up the Minion Rush application on your mobile device. Once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and look for the left-hand side menu, where you will be able to see the Ads VIP button. Tap on it and then choose whether you'd like to block ads for 7 days or for 14 days. Choose one of the Buy For option in green and follow through the purchase process. Follow any prompts to complete the purchase and you will be able to remove ads from Minion Rush after the purchase is completed. Alternatively, if you don't want to make the purchase, you can go ahead and turn on the airplane mode on your Android device or your iOS device, and turning on the airplane mode while playing the game will prevent ads from loading. So those were some of the methods you could use in order to remove ads on Minion Rush. In this video, we will be learning how you can delete your account in Minion Rush. If you are looking for a way to getting rid of your Minion Rush account since you no longer want to continue playing the game, then here is a tutorial for that as well. First of all, open the Minion Rush application, and then from the main home page, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner. From the gear menu, you will need to get to the settings option. Here, simply click on Yes, I understand that I will no longer be able to use the service. But before that, make sure you go ahead and read the warning message. If you continue deleting your account, your personal information and your game will also be reset. After clicking on the Yes option, click on Confirm. Now, fill in the information in the text boxes. Select your country, your language, and then choose your product information. Finally, click on I'm not a robot and click on Submit Delete My Account option in order to continue deleting your account. Confirm that you'd like to delete your account again by clicking on Yes. And remember that the action cannot be undone. Once you click on Yes, you will be able to delete your Minion Rush account right away. So that's how you can easily delete your account for Minion Rush in just a couple of minutes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure you give us a thumbs up and also press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.